Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Muting calls on your iPhone can be very useful in various situations, such as meeting or when you need some quiet time. Here is a concise yet comprehensive guide on how to mute incoming calls on your iPhone. Let's get into it. The first step is by using the mute switch. The mute switch is a small switch located at the left side of the iPhone, just above the volume button. Flip the switch down so that you can see an orange line. This mutes all incoming call sounds and alerts. Another step is by using the volume button. While on a call, press the volume down button on the left side of your iPhone to lower the volume until it's muted. You can also use Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen on iPhone X or later. Then you tap on the crescent moon icon to enable Do Not Disturb mode. This will mute all calls and notifications. You can also schedule Do Not Disturb. Go to the Setting app. Then click on Focus. Then Do Not Disturb. Here you can schedule specific times for Do Not Disturb mode to activate automatically. Another method is silencing specific contacts. Head over to your Contact app. Then you find the contact you want to mute. Tap the Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down to Text Tone and select None. This will mute notification for text from this contact. You can also go to Ringtone, scroll down and select None. This will mute calls from this contact. Another method is using the Silence Unknown Caller feature. Open the Setting app and locate Phone. Next, you enable the Silence Unknown Call option. This will send calls from unknown numbers directly to voicemail without ringing. And that's it guys. Muting calls on your iPhone is straightforward and can be done in various ways depending on your needs. Whether you use the physical mute switch, Do Not Disturb mode, or adjust settings for specific contacts, you can ensure peace and quiet when necessary. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you next time. Bye bye.